All right, so let's pick a question. So it says count the number of consistent strings. Easy, right? All right. It says you're given a string allowed consists of distinct character and array of string words. A string is consistent if all the characters in the string appears. If all the characters in the string appeared in string allowed, return the number of constant string in the array. So basically, this would have been very, very easy with Python, but I'm going to be using Go for that, right? So basically, I'm just going to be like, the number of consistent is going to be, of course, 0. I'm going to be like for, the word, for word in range words, right? I'm going to go through each of them. Now, let's see, how do you calculate, I guess our next point is, how do you calculate, let me see, is it possible to arrange over words in a string? Let me see. Man, this is terrible in Golang. I really don't know how to do this in Golang. Okay. All right. So I'm going to check if it contains if all the character is represented aloud. Okay. So I'm just going to loop over like for C in character if C contains. Let me see. Let me check if Python. Golang check if string contains character. Ah, oh, there's a strings package. Ah, there's a string package. Oh, no, didn't really know that. Booyah. So we are going to, are we supposed to be able to import, right? Hopefully. All right, import strings. All right. All right. So we are going to be now, the question is how do you extract? All right. Is there a way to range over character and a string? Go along, range, range string. Is there a way to range over strings? Over string by room. Ah, it's actually possible. Aha. Didn't know that. So okay, for C, for C, this is going to be the index, which we don't need, or maybe we need. Then the word, we range over it. So we're going to range over it, and then we're going to use the strings. I think the library, the string library. I think this contains if allowed, it contains the character C. I'm not sure if that's going to work. Run code. Trying to get a bunch of error. Line 15. Come on, come on. All right, expect on line 1. Oh. So, nice one. Function. Can I import string? Yeah, I should be able to import, right? All right. But, can't load package. Man, string found line 12. What? Can't load package. The hell? Cannot load package. Cannot load package. No. This is cannot load package. Oh boy. Man. Cannot load package. It's terrible. It's, that is quite terrible. All right, so it's a terrible approach. Well, that's what I know for now. Man, voice word. So for word and word, man, Python would have been so easy, but go. All right, for each character in this word, let me check. Man, I have to range again. I have to range over the allow string. Man. All right. And in A, allowed if C is equals to A, it's going to say break, then like equals to false, and I'm going to set it to found equals to true here. That means the character. That means the character was found and it's gonna break right now. If character C in word was not, that means if found is still equals to false. That means if found is equals to false. That means that not everything appeared in the word. So we can go ahead and just if found, we can go ahead and continue. We can go ahead and continue. Go ahead and just, if found is equals to false, we can go ahead and break rather, right? I'll go ahead and break. We can break. I'm like overcomplicating word found. Word found is equals to true. I'm going to, this guy is going to set, sorry, found is equals to false. If so, basically, what is not found, like if word found is equals to true, then increment num plus plus. This is a terrible algorithm. Nobody should ever use this. Found, return one found, return code. Oh, sorry. Cannot import package. Wow, that's a terrible thing. No. Oh, range, yeah, no range. Yeah. Sorry about that. Did I range of anything else? Undefined word found. Undefined word found. Did I set it up here? What? It's telling me that cannot range over word type integer. How is word of type integer? Oh shoot. Yeah. Beautiful. Undefined word found. Yeah. And terrible algorithm. You see, it's taking like years. Because it has to run this for every. It's never gonna. Man, this is terrible. This is terrible. I expect this to be quite easy. I mean, this brings up the issue of trying to, excuse me, uh, the choice of programming language. It makes a big difference. I can easily knock this out in Python. Like, what? Before it breaks, let me copy my code. It is terrible. What? That is terrible. Why is it taking so long? Like, it's taking so long. It's so long to run. First of all, I really don't like this. There should be like a very compact way to check this. So that brings up the question: one of the best way to range over characters? Well, to check if a particular string or character is in a string. And there's a package for it, but let me see. It's a package for it, but it's accepted. Let me submit it. If accepted is like, why is, whoa, ah, God, this is terrible. This is so terrible. All right, so what we can do is try to see if we can optimize this. This is terrible, like terrible. I'm very sure the problem is right here. This right here is the problem. The fact that I have to range. Let me see. What if I range over it once and that's the way to import. Jeez. Go lang. Why can't things just be easy? Why? Why can't things just be freaking easy and go? This is a terrible solution now. All right, C is accepted. Nah, it's C. All right. All right. You know what? I'm going to come back to this later. This works, but it's terrible, right? All right. Yeah. I guess I'll see you next time.